He's dancing. Now, what is a fear? Fear is something that keeps you from doing something. Fear is that feeling inside you, that voice that tells you you can't do that, or you have to stop, or not what do it is at all. It's basically brainwashing yourself into thinking that you can't do things when you can do anything you want to do. And hey, that's to make a face. That's to make a face. What are you doing? To impress other people. Shout to you guys, give you some encouragement to get out there in the outdoors, breathe fresh, clean, oxygenated air, from all these trees and this beautiful moisture and this rain that we're having, it's wonderful. Enjoy it, man, because it's awesome, like possum on Slippity-Dawson's Creek. Or is the game? I don't do too much flossing. Money shot. Yeah. Anyways, these mushrooms are crazy too. Have you ever stared and looked at a mushroom? Or the algae, moss, fungi that grows on these trees? It's so crazy. I would show you guys, but it's hard to get the camera to stay there. See what nature tells you. Listen to nature. Just go for a walk in the park, or in the forest, or along the beach. Visualize what they're saying to you. Are they talking to you? Are the birds talking to you? What are they saying? Hey, what's up, nigga? Yeah, man, I'm doing just fine. It's a great fucking day, Bob. It's a great fucking day. That's probably what I'm talking about. Just get out there. Enjoy yourself in nature. Because when you think about it, you're a part of nature, right? Like a tree is part of nature, right? Just like a fruit, an apple comes off an apple tree. Fruit comes off a tree. You are a fruit of the earth. We eat food from nature. We breathe air from nature. This is carbon-based, oxygenated, nitrogen. All those basic elements are what make up nature, and that's what make up you as well. And you're a part of nature. So just spend some time. And have your eyes open. Open your eyes real wide. Don't walk around all Asian-like. Walk around. Open your eyes. And just walk. Or run if you want. Play with the leaves. Play with the leaves. Throw a stick. Climb a tree. Taste some food. Be careful with the mushrooms, unless you're an expert. We have lots of mushrooms around here. I got tons of pictures. I'm sure you've seen them. Which brings me to my next point. I wanted to talk to you about the blog that I'm going to do some pull-ups. I see a spot right here. I think I can. So gotta get in your exercise, man. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. When you're out here, don't just walk around with your head down, touch your toes, you know. Look up at the sky, watch the birds, watch the leaves dancing in the breeze. Not giving a fuck about anything. And that's what I want you guys to do today, or tomorrow, or as soon as you can. But just wanted to put that thought out there for you to get out there. This is the Bank Shop. Break 'em. When you're out, you know, if you find a nice spot to meditate, why not, man? I found a great spot. Yeah, and I'll show you. Give you a good view. Yeah, so make sure you meditate lots, like 30 times a day, 30 or 40. All right? No, but seriously, probably like 69. And check out my blog. I'll post a link down there. Check out my blog. This is a macaroni whistler. I'm gonna say she caught it because I know you can't even see that far. So suck it. My tanks have empty, gasket just blew. This always happens. 30 minutes from home, got a late, a long cabin. Only option I have, McDonald's is bathroom. In a public stall, dropping what I gotta do to hear this new song from Luda. Be an expert at computers. I'd rather be an encyclopedia. Virginica, hell with PlayStation. I'm still on my first man. I'm from Zelda. Nintendo bitch, run, jump, fuck, hell. I can't stand all shit with the camera, cell phones. I can't go anywhere. I get so mad I could yell. The other day, someone got all elaborate and stuck a head from a fucking dead cat in my mailbox. Went to Burger King, they spit on my onion rings. I think my karma's catching up with me. Maybe that's what it